WTAJ News continues.
Well, an Indian construction worker set social media ablaze on Saturday. He appeared to run a 100-meter distance in just 9.55 seconds.
He was running in a traditional competition called Kambala. It involves driving a pair of buffalo a certain distance and running alongside them. The runner's speed drew comparisons with 8-time gold medal winner Usain Bolt, who holds the 100-meter world record of 9.58 seconds. An official invited him to try out with the Sports Authority of India, but he reportedly turned down the offer. I was reading, so I couldn't see. How fast was it?
Well, it was kind of hard to tell because he was right next to the buffalo. I mean, but that's faster than Usain Bolt.
Yeah.
I mean, his time was faster, so no question if it probably wasn't an official, thing, but it looked like it was.
That's
really
pretty
fast,
impressive.
So, yeah, get that guy signed up.
Stick around. WTAJ News at 6 is next.